It's a golden brown. The onion is already fried and I'm adding all ingredients which I made. And I peeled a tomato in the boiled water. So here is the peeled. I'm going to throw in the garbage is a waste all because it's not digestible either. So I'm going to add very little water and mostly I'm going to cook in this tomato. This is 3 tomatoes. So I'm going to add little bit water in there and let it rest a little bit like a gravy purpose. After 5-6 minutes I'm going to add it okra. Okra is a cut. I washed in hot water because a lot of things are going on in this world. So I wash with hot water, cut it in pieces. So once I'm going to put it in okra, once I add, then I'm going to add tomato to cook in this tomato, chopped tomato, which is skinless. So that should be ready after that 25 to 30 minutes on slow fire.